Today, we are looking for the missing alphabets. We need a detective to help find the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
We are here looking for the missing alphabets. The missing alphabets handler is on the loose. What letters is missing?
Missing in action, I, J, K, L.
We cannot be completed until we found them.
Found the I. Found the J. We found the K. We found the L. We found the IJKL. MONPQRST.
We cannot be completed until we found them. The missing alphabets handler is on the loose.
Reporting more letters are missing.
We on it. UVW.
We cannot be completed until we found them.
We found the U. We found the B. We found the W. XYZ.
We sure kids will keep the alphabets together.
Our job is done.